in today's video, we're going to be talking about this clip-on ring light for your smartphone. Is it something you should pick up? Is it worth it? We're going to be talking about that all coming up. Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Creators, giving you the tips, tricks, and tools to create awesome content on nothing but your smartphones, like this video, filmed on the iPhone XR with the anamorphic lens. So if you're interested in content creation on your smartphone, be sure to click that red subscribe button and hit the little ding bell. And I've sort of missed doing these videos, so I'm glad to be back to those who missed me. So as I was on Amazon hunting for different phone accessory kind of stuff or, video related, I came across, there's a few variations of this. This one's made by Qava. I'll try to link it down below in the description so that way you guys can click on it and get the exact one I got, which will be also affiliate link, which will help the channel out a bit. But it's literally a clip-on, so you just kind of bend it and it'll clip onto, it doesn't have to clip onto a phone, it can clip onto whatever you want it to clip onto. Which I think it clips onto a phone. Basically, you can put this anywhere. And it has 3 settings. So there's setting number 1, number 2, and 1, 2, 3. There's the third one. I don't know why it didn't work the first time. But there are 3 settings for this light. And if I'm not mistaken, this thing was like 10 bucks. 10 bucks, and you have a portable ring light for your phone device. Which, in my opinion, if you're paying 10 bucks, this thing is absolutely worth it. But let's do a real test example. I'm going to turn off all the lights and clip this on here to the phone so you can get an idea of what it looks like. All right, all the lights are off. It's basically pitch black. So let me just turn on the light here, for example. And I'm going to clip it onto the far side of my phone, not on the side with the camera. And there we go. There's the light going. This is at its full brightness. I'm not exactly sure how long it charge. Maybe I'll leave text down here to say how long it actually holds a charge. But from my experience, holds it long enough to be able to do a video. But this is just an example of, if you were in pitch black dark, this is how bright this thing can get. Now, another important reason why you should pick this up is right now I'm using the Moment anamorphic lens. And when you have a lens attached and you're using the Moment app, it will not allow you to turn on the light, at least as of today. So, if you want to film with a Moment lens, but I'm guessing they don't have the light enabled because the light probably would negatively affect the lens. Maybe it would cause light leaks. I'm not too sure. But you don't have the light. If you're going to be filming at night, you want to use the light, maybe you're trying to film like a horror movie type thing, they're not going to let you have that light on. So this is an absolute great replacement if you do not have an LED light and you want to use that light at night for your videos. I mean, honestly, this thing is clip on and off, and you can take it with you. I mean, if you want to just hold it in your hands, you can get a little much more light. I probably don't like it because it's probably making my face look really red. My face is red in general. But yeah, it's really an awesome device. Now, I have found from my test that's probably not a good idea to have it clip around the lens. I found that it gives it this weird distortion, almost like a dreamy effect when the light's around your camera. So I wouldn't recommend doing that, but clipping it to the other side of the phone, I think it works great, and I think it's definitely something you should pick up. And also, if you don't have a Moment lens, you can run, your phone light plus this light at the same time for kind of like a dual effect to give, extra brightness at night. You could also use this during the day just to add maybe a little more light to your face as well. For example, so here's an example of all my lights back on again, and this light is still going. As you see a difference, let me actually, to give a better example here, let me find a button on this. Here's it off. First setting, second setting, third setting. Notice any difference? I don't know. I can't see because, the camera's facing right at me, but what do you think? Anyway, definitely think you should pick it up. Add it to your toolbox. But thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.